Hi to all those who want to improve their trading results and grow. This is MaxBot channel. Our team gives you the opportunity to use 3 trial signals from the bot with an average passability of 90%, free of charge, after which you will be able to purchase the full version of this tool with a discount of 90%. The number of people who will receive the discount, limited. Link in the description. After purchase, bot gives unlimited signals. Now let's get started. I show a live example. The first signal from the neural network is for hire. I open a deal on the timeframe 2 minutes, the currency pair Australian dollar, Japanese yen, the point of entry into the market $150. I pressed the green button in pocket option. Also, the bot indicated additional information in the message with the signal. Volatility and news background are now elevated. And now let's analyze why MaxBot gave such a signal with the help of technical analysis on the TradingView service. You can see from the tick volume histogram that the historical data suggests that the bulls dominated the market in the last hour of observations. Their strength is much greater than that of the sellers. We can observe the same by drawing the support areas on which the price went up. Yes, there is a possibility of going into consolidation, due to the fact that the bears have accumulated an array of volumes in the last minutes, but this will not trigger a trend reversal, which means that the deal will close in the plus with a huge probability. That is why, in my opinion, the robot gave such a signal. By the way, the developers have taught the robot to use not only technical analysis, but also candlestick analysis, 30 indicators and price action. Every person who purchases the full version of the tool gets unlimited signals. The link to use 3 free test signals and purchase the robot is in the description of this video. Now on the screen you can see reviews of people who have already tried MaxBot and earn regularly wonderful sums with it. Join our great team of leaders, friends. And the deal ends with a profit. The real account received $135. Now I will consolidate the positive result with one more trade, which I will conduct with another currency pair. There are 27 options in the bot menu, one of which I am choosing right now. Euro, Canadian dollar. There is a high payout percentage here, 91. I invest $300 in a new trade and promptly, in 2 clicks, receive a signal from the neural network. Hire. The robot indicated that on this currency pair now there is a strong influence of the news background on the price, as well as there are strong price fluctuations. Now let's look at the situation with historical data. Technical analysis helps to understand the logic and patterns in price movements. It is one of the most powerful tools in the hands of a trader. Get better at it. You will definitely need such a super skill. We can see that in the last minutes there was consolidation, a corridor was observed. Before that, support and resistance areas were alternating. Sellers and buyers were trying to take the initiative from each other. But according to the volume indicator, we can see that in the last half an hour, it is the buyers who have an advantage in terms of volumes. This suggests that the bears will probably not be able to reverse the trend in the next few minutes until they accumulate enough volumes. That's my opinion on the matter. Let's wait for the trade to close and draw a conclusion. We are running a massive comment contest on our channel. You can win a great prize of $1,000 by following a few steps. Watch this video from the beginning to the end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write one comment on trading topics. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. I choose one winner each week using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there, I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. Good luck to everyone. Meanwhile, the deal closed in the plus side. My technical analysis and the signal from MaxBot turned out to be accurate. This is how you can earn good sums on trading. The account received $273. And now I will make the final trade. In the search on the broker's website I find a new currency pair, Canadian dollar and Japanese yen. Time frame 2 minutes. I double the investment amount. Now it's $600. A new signal from artificial intelligence, higher. Volatility and news background is up right now. I will now do another technical analysis to trace the logic behind the robot's action when it generated this signal. By the way, after purchasing the bot, you will get to the VIP chat, where market analysis is conducted. There, our team analyzes various market situations and shares fresh signals. The link, as I said before, is in the description of this video. Now I ask you to look at the price movement chart. In the last minutes, there was a support area where the price fixed. Before that, there was a corridor that emphasized the consolidation between sellers and buyers. Even earlier, there was a significant accumulation of volumes by the bulls, which resulted in a transition from a sideways movement into a local uptrend. On the volume indicator, the buyer's volume data confirmed this trend. From all the data that I have seen now, I can conclude that during the past hour there was either consolidation or the bulls broke through the resistance area. I do not see any preconditions for the bears to reverse the trend. This means that the deal opened on higher should safely close in plus. That is why, in my opinion, the neural network gave such a signal. We are waiting for the final result. Working with a bot regularly, you can definitely make millions. Neural network absorbed everything that the developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. The bot will triple your deposit on the first day. The investment you make at a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first hours of operation. So, the deal ended up exactly as we, along with MaxBot, expected. $516 profit. Total profit for today's trading session $924. This amount was earned in a matter of minutes, thanks to accurate neural network signals. Work together with us. The link to use 3 free signals and to purchase the robot in the description. See you soon.